Nature Stories number 2. In his second adventure, Tiny Andy continues to explore the wonders of nature. He helps a little ant, meets a gentle rabbit, befriends another small boy, and finally receives wise advice from a friendly teenager. Through every encounter, Andy learns that kindness creates magic at any size. Tiny Andy is walking through the green forest, curiously observing everything around him. Today I want to discover something new. Andy notices a line of ants moving quickly across the ground. "Oh, you ants work so hard." Andy meets a worker ant carrying a leaf much bigger than its body. "Hello, I'm Kento. Who are you?" "I'm Andy. I really like how you all work." The worker ant explains its job: collecting leaves and food for the whole colony. "We build the nest, take care of the larvae, and look for food every day." The worker ant leads Andy to the anthill to show how the ants work together. "You all work amazingly. Everyone has their own job." Andy witnesses the ants dividing tasks in an extremely organized way. "Andy, do you want to try being a worker ant?" Andy helps a small ant who is struggling to drag a heavy piece of leaf. "I think I'm a bit too big for this job." With Andy's help, the ants finish their work faster and with more joy. "It's okay. You don't need to be like us. What matters is helping in your own way." Andy says goodbye to the worker ant, realizing that teamwork makes everything better. Everyone has their own talent. Together we create something amazing. Andy met another tiny boy, just as curious and adventurous as he was. "Do you love exploring nature too? Yes. Want to join me?" "Great! Together we'll discover even more." With a friend, every journey becomes twice as exciting. Look at the sky, so wide, isn't it? "Yes. I'm so tiny. Sometimes I feel unimportant." "Size doesn't matter, your heart does." Those words made Andy feel stronger than ever.